Good afternoon. I'm Zach Irwin with your Sports Fix. Number 18 TCU beat Louisiana Tech 31-24 in last night's San Diego County Credit Union Poinsettia Bowl in San Diego. Casey Pohol passed for 206 yards and the game-winning touchdown pass to Sky Dawson with 4:26 remaining. The Mountain West champion Horned Frogs move on to the Big 12 next season. Tonight, number 7 Boise State takes on Arizona State in the Mako Bowl in Las Vegas. The Sun Devils are in their first bowl game in 4 years, while the Broncos play in Vegas for the second straight year. ASU looks to send head coach Dennis Erickson out a winner, while Boise State works on getting quarterback Kellen Moore his 50th victory. The University of Pittsburgh is set to name Wisconsin offensive coordinator Paul Chryst its new head football coach. Chryst has spent 7 seasons with Wisconsin, helping the Badgers reach the Rose Bowl for a second year in a row. And should he stay or should he go? That is the clash that USC quarterback Matt Barkley will be facing at a 4 p.m. Eastern Time news conference. Barkley will announce whether or not he will stay in school for his senior year or turn pro. And to basketball tonight, the Atlanta Hawks play their second and final game of the preseason. They'll host the Charlotte Bobcats at Phillips Arena. The Bobcats took the first meeting 79-77 in Charlotte on Monday. The Hawks open up the season on the road versus the New Jersey Nets on Tuesday. That's your latest look at sports news on a Thursday afternoon. I'm Zach Irwin.